Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up Thailand Digital Arrival Card for your arrival into the kingdom. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, as you might know by now that Thailand is going to make it mandatory for incoming passengers to fill up this Thailand Digital Arrival Card up to 3 days in advance of their travel starting May 1st, and this is going to replace their traditional arrival card process. So that's what we are going to cover in this video. So first of all, this is the website of their you can see digital arrival card, and it's not just available in English, it's available in Russian, Chinese, Japanese and Korean. Okay, so a multi-language option, but yes, we'll go for English because I know only English arrival card. So you see there are three tabs: personal information, trip and accommodation information, health declaration. And once you fill this up, there will be a QR code generated that will be emailed to you. Okay, that you can, when you reach the border, you can show it to the officer, so that will help them like just a scan, and that will pull all the information right away. Okay, so and one more thing, like if wait, let me I just want to show you. So you can even update it. Okay, so that's why they have this option, update arrival card. But yes, when you come for the very first time, you will just submit, not update. And when you come here to update, you can retrieve the information with the passport, but right now it's first time, so that's not there. Okay, and when you do on mobile app, maybe this option will help you to scan and do. I will see that when we do go on mobile. All right, I'll make a different video anyway. So I'm gonna put some sample family name. I'm not gonna submit it. Smith. Well, I'm typing everything is small, but it's going in capital. Nationality, citizenship. Canadian. Okay, perfect. Date of birth, year, month. This is not my DOB, don't worry about that. Occupation. So you are going to do as per your case. This is just sample. Gender. Visa number, if you already have a visa, but a lot of nationalities don't need, so that's why they have not made it mandatory. Country, territory of residence, city of residence, yeah, Ontario I found. State of residence, wow, this got auto populated. Just sample. And see, you are getting this option, delete as this traveler. Basically multiple people can submit at a time, so that like you're going as a couple, so definitely you would like to together. So once happens that once you do for first traveler, you'll get the option to add additional traveler. Okay, date of arrival, that's why like right now we don't have any previous traveler here, otherwise we could have just selected that in this drop down and all this information would have been populated. Date of arrival, so let's say you're going on this country or territory where you boarded, purpose of travel, say holiday, mode of travel, mode of transport, most of will have commercial flight. If you have already booked the ticket, you will have this. Date of departure, when you are leaving the kingdom, let's say you are leaving Here, just simple guys, accommodation. So if you're a transit passenger, you can do this, but if you're not a transit passenger, you might have a hotel booked already. Bangkok. I don't know much about that. See, something like soy, right? Okay, like one of them is cake. Okay, one of Khao San Road. Wow. Yeah, something was there. Man, thank God I found something. South District. Oh, thank God I found something. Wow, postal code. Wow, it auto populated. Address. Continue. Health declaration. See, I told you at the end you will see this option where you stayed for within 2 weeks before arrival. Now you can add other travelers and you can preview and submit. Of course I'm not going to do that, but I got you the idea how to do this. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.